Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be putting on the free registration stickers from the Pilot Institute. That's right, if you registered your drone with the FAA, some of us might just get a little sticky and put a sticker there for your registration, or tape. In the beginning I actually put it on a Word document and then cut it and then taped it over and put it there. But you could actually have really nice free registration stickers, right? So that you can put them on your drone. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. I was looking forward to this. It takes about a week for them to come. You're allowed one per customer on the website. Now, if you get another drone, you have to email them directly. So let's say you have the Avata. This is your first drone, the Avata 2, and then you go out and buy a Mini 3 Pro or a Mini 4. When you go to register and try to get these free stickers, you can't. He'll say, sorry, only one per account. And then what you have to do is email them. Go to Facebook and send a messenger, or just email them from the website, and they'll tell you the same thing, and then you'll have free. Who doesn't like free stuff? So let's check it out. Gotta love it. I love free stuff. Who doesn't want free stickers, free anything? I believe there is another sticker lying around here somewhere, but it might be a little bit too big for this one anyway. So look what we get. We get a little card, how to use the remote ID stickers, scan QR code. Let's see, only for drones and modules. We don't need that. That's fine. It's a little. You can scan that if you want. Here, I'll pause that. So if you have your phone, you want to scan that and see what that does. Then you have a little pamphlet. The drone laws in the United States. I think DJI finally caught up with the Pilot Institute, because now when you buy your drone, there are little prompts in the goggles or on the LCD screen that say, hey, you should do this first, you should do that, but it's too late. Kind of neat. You got some free courses you can take. I've taken a couple of their free courses actually, which they come in handy. Not just a trust certificate, and stuff on night flying, stuff on flying, just to get better knowledge and more experience, and that comes in handy when flying. And again, aside from free stickers, who doesn't want a free course? But there, you don't have to take the course to get the stickers. You just find a course that you're looking for, and they have a whole library of things you can learn. Let's see, some paid and some free. Flight Club. I guess instead of Fight Club. And then you have your stickers here. Let's see, tells you when your remote ID expires. We have one. Oh, Pilot Institute. Remote ID compliant. Oh wow, I didn't know you had to have a sticker that says remote ID compliant. Interesting. This already has remote ID on it. And let's see, which one will I use though? I don't want them to, you know what I'll do. So you can put one. I'm like, which one? So many stickers. If you're a fan of stickers. So let's see, maybe put one here, right? Just want it to be even, to look nice. Let's see, we'll put one. Oh yeah, line it up with that. That's a great idea. Just see. Oops. Want it to be a certain way. Nice, got it. See? Look at that. Kind of neat, huh? And then that's the one that says has per 14 CFR Part 89. I guess some rules and regulations. And now for the sticker on the other side. I'm not sure I want to put a sticker on the top though. You decide. There's no rhyme or reason where the stickers go, because remember, this is your drone. But for aesthetics, and the beautification of the sticker process, I just want them to look. So I want it to be even. And then you have extra ones. Hopefully, hopefully they don't come off. I was going to say for your other drone, but it's per drone, so I can only use these. So let's say if these get washed away, they're not going to wash away right out. Maybe I want to change them. I was like, oh, you know what? I don't want the pink anymore. Do not touch the air intake to avoid burns. So I don't need that sticker anymore. That's like it's more like a. See this one right here? It's more like a warning label. And I guess there is a part where you can peel it. So that's the tricky part. Yeah, we're not. And you've seen me, if you've been following me, That's how I've been landing and taking off my Avatas since the beginning. So the question is, do we put it on top? No, we put it on the side. Well, I mean, you put it where you want. I'm just talking to myself and thinking like, where should it go? Nice. See? So now you have your stickers here and you have your stickers there. Except I'm going to bring one up a little bit. You got your registration, boy? I'm sorry, mister. So now I want to, I think I want to redo that one. Whoops, might be too late. But they give you more. I guess it's too late. Maybe not. Maybe it's not too late. It's never too late to raise the stakes. Nice. Hope it might be. Nope. Because there are times when I wanted to redo this on another drone and I couldn't because it just adhered to the plastic and it was just not budging. Slightly ruined, but it's okay. We have more, but I want it to be exactly where I want it to go. And on the, sometimes, you know, they may come off. May. Nice. Yep, we got it on. We got it where we want it. Look at that right there. It's okay. Little, you know, little ding, little blemish from me trying to take it off, but that's all right. It looks good. Looks like a wounded warrior. It's been through the war. Not quite, but you'll notice as you're flying it, it just becomes, doesn't really become weathered actually because I have them on the Avata. This is really nice. Cool. Anyway, and that's pretty much it. You know, we don't have to see how this flies because we know it flies and it's just a sticker, but it's a really nice sticker that you can put on your DJI Avata 2 or Avata 1 or whatever drone that you have, as long as it has remote ID and you register it through the FAA. And that's it. You don't need to have a Part 107 to register your drone, but certain drones do require registration. You just need to have your Part 107, let's say if you're monetized or on YouTube, or just, you know, making money doing real estate tours with, you know, whichever drone you're doing. And that's pretty much it. Voila. Whew, that took the wind out of me. No, I just put a new sticker on my drone and I ruined it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you in better understanding the sticker process and what to do and what not to do when putting them on your drone. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.